Hello everyone. In today's lecture, I will teach you about bitwise operator. In my previous videos, I have already taught you about four Python operators that are assignment operator, logical operator, and then arithmetic operator. In today's lecture, I will teach you about bitwise operator. In Python, bitwise operators are used to perform bitwise calculations on integers. The integers are first converted into binary and then operations are performed on each bit. Hence the name bitwise. The result is stored then returned in decimal format. The numbers are converted into binary, but the result, the final output is returned in decimal format. This table shows different bitwise operators. These are the operator symbols, and this is description and this is syntax. This is bitwise. The first one is bitwise AND operator, then bitwise OR operator, then bitwise NOT operator, bitwise XOR operator, bitwise right shift, and bitwise left shift. Let's understand it one by one. The first one is bitwise AND operator. I have already taught you about logical operators and or etc. If you want to learn about these operators, then kindly see my previous video. In bitwise AND operator, it returns 1 if both the bits are 1. If any bit is 0, then it will return 0. It will not return 1. For 1, both bits should be 1. Let's take its example. A is equal to 10 and this is the binary value of 10. B is equal to 4 and this is the binary value of 4. A, bitwise AND operator. B. A is 1010 in binary and is bitwise AND operator symbol, and 0100 is binary value of B. Its output is 0. Why? Because 0 should be 0 according to bitwise AND operator. 100 100. Okay. The second one is bitwise OR operator. Bitwise OR operator will return 1 if either of the bit is 1. Okay. One bit should be 1, other can be 0. It will return 1. Let's take its example. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 4, A bitwise OR operator, and then B. This is the binary value of A, this is bitwise OR operator, and this is the binary value of B. Let's run it. Okay, its answer is 14 and this is the binary value of 14, 0, 0, 0. But 1, 0, one bit is 1, so it's 1, 0, 1. Here is one bit is 1, so it's 1, 1, 0, 1 because the one bit is 1. Okay. Next is bitwise NOT operator. Bitwise NOT operator is the only unary bitwise operator. Okay. Since it expects just one operand, it performs logical negative on a given number by flipping all of integers so that 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. Let's take its example. A is equal to 10, C, and this is the bitwise NOT operator symbol, and then A. How it works? This is equivalent to X. X is the integer plus 1 and this is the negative symbol. This is the binary value of 10, 1010 plus 1 and this is negative symbol. If we add 1, then it will 1011. Let's print it and check it. Minus 11, this is the binary value of minus 11. Okay. Now bitwise XOR operator. Bitwise XOR operator returns 1 if any of the bit is 1 and the other is 0, else returns false. The condition is 1 should be 1, one bit should be 1 and the second bit should be 0. Then only it will return 1. Here is A. This is bitwise XOR operator. This is B. This is A, binary value of A. This is binary value of B, and this is bitwise XOR operator. And this is 000, 101, 011, 011. Okay. Let's run it. Okay, it's 14. 14's binary value. So its output is 14. Bitwise right shift assignment operator, as its name should suggest already its definition. It will shift, okay, to the right by a specified position. Okay, A is equal to 15, B is equal to 2. It will shift by 2 positions to the right. Let's run it. 3. Firstly, the binary value of 15 is 111. After shifting to the right by 2 positions, it's 0011. That is the binary value of 3. That's why its output is 3. Now the last one is bitwise left shift. It will shift to the left by the specified position. A is equal to 14, B is equal to 2. It means it will shift to by 2 position to the left. Let's run it. Before the binary value of this is binary value of 14. After shifting 2 positions to the left, its binary value is this, and this is the binary value of 56. Hope so this video will help you learning about bitwise operators. Kindly subscribe my channel for more videos and updates. If you have any query, then kindly comment below. Thank you for watching my video.